Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. On today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make lemon mandazi in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end. So for this recipe I've used 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, and a 1/4 cup of milk powder. That's optional. Then we're going to mix all the dry ingredients very well. After mixing the dry ingredients well, you're going to add 1 scoop of margarine or butter. So you're going to mix the margarine with the flour until the mixture is crumbly. Then you're going to add 1 egg. The egg is also optional, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You're going to mix that well. Then you're going to add in some warm water and start kneading to form a smooth dough. If you are allergic to eggs, there's no need of adding eggs, and you can also use milk instead of warm water. So you're going to knead your dough until it is smooth. So you'll knead for about 10 minutes or until the dough is smooth. After that, you are going to divide the dough into 2 portions. After dividing the dough into 2 portions, I let it rest for about 10 minutes before rolling out. So you're going to roll it out as shown in the video. After that, you're going to cut it into mandazi shapes. As for me, I've decided to do round mandazi, but you can cut them into square or even rectangle. I meant you can choose to cut the mandazi whatever shapes you want. After that, you're going to let them rest for about 30 minutes before frying them. After 30 minutes, you're going to heat up some oil. Then you're going to fry in your mandazi. Make sure your heat is on a medium. Then you're going to fry the mandazi until they're nicely cooked or nicely golden brown. Guys, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to do it for you. Make sure your mandazi are well cooked as shown in the video. So you're going to remove them from the heat and set them aside. After that, you're going to repeat the process until all the mandazi are done. At this point, I'm sure you are enjoying this recipe, and also you'll give it a try. If you have any query, kindly let me know concerning this mandazi. Let me know how I did them. I forgot to tell you that if you don't like lemon in your mandazi, you can choose not to add, and you can add vanilla essence instead. To be honest, our mandazi was so delicious and sweet, and I'm sure you'll give this recipe a try. Kindly don't forget to give me a like, comment, and share with others so that they can also do their own mandazi at home. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Until next time. Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Terry's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make mandazi. So for this recipe you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a quarter cup of sugar, but you can add more if you want. Then we're going to mix all the dry ingredients well until they're well combined. After that we'll go in with 1 scoop of margarine. Then we're going to mix the margarine and the flour until it is well combined. After that you're going to add an egg, but it is optional. If you don't take eggs, no need of adding. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and mix that well. You'll then start adding milk gradually, warm milk. Then you're going to mix to form a nice dough. When the dough is formed, you're going to add a little bit of margarine. Then you're going to knead until the dough is soft. After rolling out the dough, you're going to cut the mandazi according to the shape you prefer. Then you're going to let them rest for about 30 minutes before frying them. After 30 minutes, you're going to fry in your mandazi. Make sure the oil is not too hot, because if it's too hot, your mandazi will not cook well inside. Then we are going to fry them until they are golden brown. Guys, thank you so much for the love and support you have shown me on my channel. If you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. So you're going to fry your mandazi until they are golden brown as shown in this video. From the looks, you can see that our mandazi turned out so well. They look so delicious and they're so perfect with a cup of tea or coffee. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. And don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make their mandazi at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Bye.